how to add Copilot in Visual Studio. So if you want to add Copilot in your Visual Studio, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your search and search for Visual Studio installer. Open it up. Make sure that you're using the version 17.1 or later. Now from the start menu, find your installed version of Visual Studio and click on Modify. Now in the Workloads tab, select at least one workload. On the right-hand side, under Installation Details, make sure the optional component GitHub Copilot is checked, which is right here. Click Modify to install. Once that's done, open Visual Studio. After that, go to File, which is on the top left. After that, go with Account Settings. After that, you can sign in with your GitHub account. If you have an active Copilot subscription, the feature will automatically active and start assisting you with code suggestions right inside the editor. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.